Yo, YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for today's episode, it's going to be a fun vlog. We are going to unbox dunks that I bought that were damaged. So I bought them knowing that they had a flaw because the price was good. So I'll unbox it, put it on feet, and show it to you later. But prior to that, we have three things. Number one, we have Carlo cooks. I'm going to cook lunch. Number two, I'm going to pick out shoes and other items that I'm going to restock our steel cabinet over at Greenhills. And number three, today is a special day because today is our second shot of our vaccine. So we are going to get that shot in. Let's go. Now, let's get started with the hard task of picking what we will put at the steel cabinet that we have over at Greenhills. We have this brand new pair of Ultra Boost Climas. I actually have two of these. One is used, one is the unused. So we will sell this probably, I don't know, at 4,000 pesos. So that's like 60% off for the Ultra Boost Clima. Second pair of the Stussy or Stussy Horace. So this one is the used one, but I only used it once or twice. So it's still very, very clean. So I think the going price for this one is around 12,500 brand new. We'll probably sell it for, I don't know, 7,000-8,000, size 13. Paul George 4s, size 8 and size 10. So this one, I mean, they're still brand new. If you take a look at them, it's the same color, it's just the different sizing. So probably sell it, I don't know, 2.5 or some really cheap price. But yeah, both of them will also go to our steel cabinet. So apart from the shoes, we added this really nice Coach bag, and we added this Billionaires Boys Club side bag, and a nice Seiko watch. Again, all of them will be selling for steel prices over at the steel cabinet. Now let's go cook lunch. For today, meron tayong chicken wings na i-air fry natin or oven. Tapos meron tayong pan fried salmon. So ito ano lang to, butter, garlic, pepper, salt. Tapos ito, ganun din. Pan fried salmon. Ayan na guys, ito na ang ating butter, garlic, pan fried salmon. Yan, yung butter sauce natin yan. Ganda ng luto. Crispy skin din yan. Okay, so let's get to the fun part, which is my unboxing. Now, as you guys know, I don't do a lot of dunks because I don't find them friendly for my wide feet. However, there is one pair that I really liked when I saw them appear online, which is the Curry Lows. So it's a nice brown suede and white dunk. However, they were selling for like 20 to 25,000, especially if you check StockX now for my size 13. It was going for like $500. It's just insane. Now, the good news is I found somebody selling a used pair, pre-owned, that had a slight damage on the swoosh. And if you want to buy shoes that you will just beat up and just use and just, you know, dirty up, it doesn't matter, diba? Kasi you have no plans of flipping them anyway. So I got this at a steal. I got this for like 12,000 pesos, half the actual resale price. Bam! Diba panalo? Man, I've been looking for this for a while. So as you can see, the damage is this. So kung titignan niyo yung swoosh, over there, there's that slight flaw over there. And I think that plus the fact that it was used like 3 to 4 times made the owner sell it at a very low price compared to market value. Now, what I like about the Currys is that they are extremely versatile. So you can wear them in khakis, you can wear them in shorts, you can wear them in jeans. So it's easy to style given the light colored nature of the shoe. Apart from that, it's kind of perfect for the weather that we're in. It's so hot. It's like a nice summer shoe with the suede, with the lighter colors. And that for me made it irresistible to pick up. Well, especially at the price that I got it for. They are nice to wear, they're comfortable, they're not really the best for people with wide feet, especially in the midfoot section, but when it comes to aesthetics, I think it's just so on point. We'll head on over to the steel cabinet to check out all the other stuff on display so you know what's available, and then we will have our second shot of the vaccine. We're here at the steel cabinet dito sa Greenhills. So some of the stuff that I mentioned earlier, we have this Coach side bag, we have this Billionaires Boys Club side bag, 10,000 to, this is 8,000. This one, like what I mentioned earlier, which is the Stussy Horace, we're selling for 7,000. This is size 13. This Ultra Boost Clima, which is size 13, brand new, we're selling for 4,000. And then everything that you see here is 3,000 a piece. Yung aming 3,000 peso cabinet. Kasama yung repriced yung ibang items. Some of them used to be more expensive, so we brought the price down. So dito, ito yung aming 2,000 peso cabinet. So we have 4 shoes that are 2,000 pesos, including the 2 Paul Georges. Hindi ko na maalala yung size. Ano yung size? 10 and 8. So size 10, size 8. And then, yeah. So dito naman, the rest are all still 3,000 pesos, which includes a bunch of New Balances, Adidas, Pegasus 37, and a bunch of other stuff. So yan, yung mga restock sa sapatos. So we also have mystery boxes. So we have the 10K smartphone mystery box. We have 3 of them actually. 1, 2, 3. So tatlong 10K guaranteed smartphone. And we have a size 13 mystery box na 10,000 peso also. So yan, mga mystery boxes that you can get here at the Steel Cabinet. May dinamay na rin kami isang Seiko watch over here that we're selling for just 3,000 pesos. Orig yan hindi yan galing kung saan. So that's that's 3,000. And then we repriced the Yeezy. Di ba ano na to? 8,000 pa rin ba? O 7,000?
7.
We're repricing this to 7,000. So it says 8,000 pero 7,000 na yan talaga. So reprice namin yan. And then yun, other stuff that you can find here at our Steel Cabinet. Okay naman kayo. Yan si Sean. Yan si JC. Boom. So just got back here at home. My hair is messy because the windows were down. So quick story lang. So we were in the car. May bubuyog na pumasok sa kotse because our windows were down. And it was a giant thing. And I wanted to take a video of it, but, you know, parang naging medyo panicky lang kasi ang laki ng bubuyog. So anyway, long story short, nandito kami sa bahay. We'll prepare and then we'll head on over to the vaccination site to get our second shot of the vaccine. Whew!